Hello everyone, this video is about the normal distribution which can guide you in solving problem involving normal distribution. Please subscribe on my channel.
Hello, so we are now in the problem application of the normal standard score. So from the standard score, we are going to use this one in solving problems. So we have here an example. For the, as we all know, the formula for the standard score, we have here for population, given the population. The other one, this one for the population, and then this is for the sample. So x minus the mean over the standard deviation. So we have an example here. Find the area of the standard normal distribution. As we recall, z is 1.44, negative 1.44, and z is 0. So as we look at the curve, when you are going to draw the curve here, you are looking for, sorry for my drawing, you are looking from 0 to negative, just estimate 1.44. So this area, you are looking for this area. So we have here 0.425. Let's check on the table. 1.44, 1.44 here, 0.425, this one. 0.425. So 1.44 as the area, this area. This area here is 42.5% or 0.425. Okay, another example. Raul has taken 2 tests in chemistry. He scored 72 on the first test, for which the mean is 65 and the standard deviation is 8. He received a on the second test. So second test na is 60 with a mean of 45 and a standard deviation of 12. So in comparison to the other students, did Raul do better on the first or the second test? So let's check using the standard score here. First test, he got 72 with a mean of all the scores 65. The standard deviation is 8. So the answer is 0.875. This is the standard score. Compare that one to Z60. 60, the score of Raul, minus 45, the mean, and the standard deviation of 12, 1.25. So therefore, Raul scored 0.875, the standard deviation above the mean of the first test, 1.5. So when you graph that one, 0.8725 is here, 875. Then somewhat 1.25 is here. So therefore, the standard score indicates that in comparison to his classmates, Raul scored better on the second test than he did on the first test because of the standard score. Greater than the standard score and he compares sa 0.875. Why? Ang mean sa second test is 45, raman po ang average of all the scores sa tanang students. Okay, so you are going to use this standard score in comparing the test. Another example, a consumer group tested a sample of 100 light bulbs. It found that the mean life expectancy of the bulbs was 842 hours, deviation of 90. One particular light bulb from Dora Bright Company has a Z-score of 1.2. What is the lifespan of this light bulb? Okay, gihatag na ang standard score. So we have there the formula, you just substitute. Ang standard score nga 1.2, you're looking for this, pila ang lifespan. The mean of the life expectancy of the bulb is 842 over the standard deviation of 90. So multiply 1.2 times 90, Because multiply man na siya. 108 x minus 842. Solve for x. Minus na nimo 950 minus 108 minus 842. So the answer is 950 hours. The light bulb had a lifespan of 950 hours. Okay, use this table. So another example, the life expectancy of a particular brand of light bulb pa rin, is normally distributed with a mean of 1,500 hours and the standard deviation 75 hours. What is the probability that the light bulb will last less than 1,410 hours? Okay, so we are going to draw first. Atong i-drawing. Pila iyang mean? 1,500. Ano imong reference? So, ang standard score ani, ang Z ani 0. And then, ang standard deviation of 75. Ang gipangutanan niya, less than 1,410. So, obviously, if mauni siya ang mean, naa diri si 1,4. Less. 1,410. Less than 1,410 man. So, you are looking for this area. Kani imong gipangita ang area. Okay, so you're going to get the standard score. X minus the mean over the standard deviation. And so we are going to substitute 1,410 minus 1,500 divided by 75. Okay. So you may get your calculator and solve 1,410. So you have there 1,410 minus 1,500. I-divide mo 75. You have there a standard score of negative 1.2. So correct siya. Kay kani DIC. So ang standard score ani arita sa standard score. Kani nga part, kani si 1,410, ang equivalent niya nga standard score di ay negative 1.2. So, mangita ka sa table, 1.2. 1.2 is somewhat here, kani. 0.385. Okay, balik ta are. 0.385 kani siya. From 0 to 1.2 is 0.385. Mani siyang area. Kaning area. From 0 to 1.2. Sorry for my drawing. It's not straight. So, since less than man ang gipangita, you are going to subtract. So, the area, the probability of at Z, which is less than negative 1.2 is equal to 0.5 kanang tibuok minusan nimo sa 0.385. Kay from 0 to from 1.5 to 1.410 kay mao man na siya 1.2 mao nang 0.385. So 0.5 minus 0.385 mao na siya ang area. Probability 115. So what is the probability? It's 11.5%. The probability that the X is less than 1,410 hours. The answer is 11.5 or 0.11. Okay? Another. What is the probability that the light bulb will last between ha? Okay. Remember, kani si 1.5 mo ang mean. So, mo na siya equivalent sa standard. Mag-drawing tag z-score ani, z-score 0 na siya. Nya 1,563. Estimate na po nimo. 1,563. So, doon ra. 563. And then 1648 man, so greater po gamay. 1648. So mo nang kuhaon nimo ang standard score aning duha. Ang ipangita between between 1563 and 1648. So you need to draw the curve so that you can locate asa nga area ang ipangita. So here, kani nga area. This one, pila na siya. So find first duha ka standard score. Ni 15. So the formula there, x minus the mean over the standard deviation. So we have 1563 minus 1,500 over 75. So pilay z ana. So you get your calculator and solve for. So we have 1563 minus 1,500 divide 75. See, 0.84. 0.84. Ato i-check ha, kabasig marong. 1563 minus 1,500 divide 75. Divide 75. 0.84. So, kani di ay siya, 0.84 ang standard score niya, positive. What about the other one? So, 1648 minus 1,500 divided by 75. Pila may G score ana. So, again, get your calculator. 1648 minus 1,500 divide 75. It's 1.97. Okay, duha ni siya ka-decimal since we are using the 100% percentage or decimal point, 2 places. So, we have here kani siya nga score, ang standard Z score niya 1.97. So from 0 to 0.84, we look at the table here. 0.84. I hope na siya 0.84. Okay, here. 0.3. 0.3 iyahang standard score. So 0.3 siya. Equal to 0.3 ang iyang area. The probability that Z is 0.84 equal to 0.84. Ang iyang equivalent nga area is 0.300. Or pwede rago. Duha ka decimal point. Whereas 1.97, let's check 1.97. 1.97 is here, 476. 476. So, si 1.97, ang probability that the Z is equal to 1.97 is equal to 0.476. Okay, you are looking for, ang imong gipangita man, kanina siya nga area, but from 0 to 1.97, mao ni 0.476. From 0 to 1.97. But from 0 to 0.84, kani man siya nga area is 0.3 man. So, imong i-subtract to get this one. So, gikan ni Z, kanin dako nga Z nga 1648, minusan nimo sa area sa 1563. So, 0.497, ang 0.497, gikan ni man siya. Kaning duha. Okay. Or kani siya nga area kanitanan. Minusan nimo sa kani. So, the answer here, the probability that the Z is greater than 0.84 but less than 0.97, or the probability that X is greater than 1563 but less than or between 1648. Same na siya. Is equal to 0.476 minus 0.300. So, pila may answer ana? So, get your calculator and solve. You need to use you can have ordinary calculator. 0.476 minus 0.3. 1.176. Or this is 17.6%. Okay, so what is the probability that the light bulb will last between 1,563 hours to 1,648 hours? It's only 17.6. Okay, I hope you get how you are going to solve. You need to draw the curve. So kani atong curve aning area gikan na siya sa 0 to 1.97. Unya mayusan nimo sa 0 to 0.84. Mo na you come up this area. Okay? For your activity, you have activity number 3, problem application of normal distribution. Solve the following, draw the curve and shade the required area. A soda machine dispenses soda in 12 ounces cups. Tests show that the actual amount of soda dispensed is normally distributed with a mean of 11.5 ounces and standard deviation of 0.2. Question number 1. What percent of cups will receive less than 11.25? Letter B. What percent of cups will receive between 11.2 ounces to 11.55? Letter C. If a cup is chosen at random, find the probability that the machine will overflow the cup. Number 2, this is the same as our example, but the different question here. The life expectancy of the bulb, still, the light bulb. Ang question lang niya, what is the probability that the light bulb will last between 1416 to 1,677 hours? Okay, thank you for listening. You may comment to our stream homepage.
Thank you for watching. Please check my other mathematics tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel. It's free.